Hello cruel world. Excuse my shop. This mess is a place. Whatever. Alright, this is pretty simple. You just need a standard garage door opener and you're gonna lag it onto the frame. Before you do that, you're gonna want to find a chain that fits your sprocket, count how many teeth are on it, multiply that by 3 at minimum. You can go bigger if you want. And then get your sprocket, get your hub, line everything up, tighten it on there, figure out how much chain you need. Once you get the chain set, then you're going to kind of put some weight on it to get your tension. It's a little loose, but you know what, it's fine. And then you're going to lag her down. And then after that's done, you make your mount. Easiest way to make the mount, use some of the angle iron with the holes already in it. Bolt it up, bolt the piece onto your railing there, and then once you get it all lined up, then weld it as it is, and then you should be good. So then you just run your wiring and add an outlet. That's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. It just spins the jack shaft. After that, you're going to play with your adjustment screws for the up and down, basically just till you get it exactly right. That's it. Second hot tip of the day, you can get these bad boys on Amazon. Just make sure you match the frequency to your garage door opener, and then you have a small pocket size keychain, whatever you want to describe it as, garage door opener. Way better than those big honking things. There you go. Thanks for watching, guys.